In the grand theater of the cosmos, a phenomenon of immense gravity and mind-bending implications takes center stage: the creation and existence of a black hole. Imagine a star, a cosmic giant that has burned brilliantly for millions of years. As it exhausts its nuclear fuel, its outer layers are expelled into space, leaving behind a core that collapses under the relentless pull of its own gravity. This cosmic collapse forms a black hole, an object so dense and compact that its gravitational grip becomes an inescapable maelstrom. At the threshold of this cosmic whirlpool lies the event horizon, a point where gravity's pull becomes overpowering. Once anything crosses this boundary, be it light, matter, or information, it is trapped, consigned to the uncharted depths within. Venturing into the heart of a black hole is a journey that defies our conventional understanding of reality. As we delve deeper, the familiar rules of space, time, and physics begin to unravel. Closest to the center of a black hole lies the singularity, a point where the curvature of space-time becomes infinitely steep. The forces of gravity are so intense that our familiar understanding of these forces no longer holds. This uncharted territory within a black hole's interior pits the principles of general relativity, which govern large-scale gravitational behavior, against the peculiarities of quantum mechanics, which dominate the subatomic world. The two realms, while successful in their respective domains, remain incompatible in this extreme environment. The greatest minds in physics grapple with the enigma of black hole interiors. Theories like string theory and loop quantum gravity emerge in the pursuit of harmony between these disparate domains, offering glimpses into the potential resolution of this cosmic conundrum. Laboratories around the world become battlegrounds for ideas, experiments, and debates as researchers seek to illuminate the nature of the interior of a black hole. The goal: to unravel the mysteries that lie beyond the event horizon and challenge our understanding of reality itself. As we peer into these cosmic abysses, we find ourselves at a crossroads of knowledge and wonder. The interior of a black hole beckons humanity to confront the unknown, to venture where our intuition falters, and to illuminate the shadows that conceal the deepest secrets of the universe. If you have made this far in the video, a like and subscribe would be awesome.